Dear student, today we will see the application of Wheatstone bridge. In Wheatstone bridge, we see that the ratio of adjacent resistance are equal to each other at a balance point or null point. The application of Wheatstone bridge is, using the Wheatstone bridge, we can find the unknown temperature. Then how we can find the unknown temperature? In 1 hour, we wound the PT wire on a mica sheet. Also, you see the figure in the notes given on your site. We know that increasing the temperature causes increase the resistance of the conductor. Just I tell to all of you that PT wire wounded on a mica is connected in the one of the arm of Wheatstone bridge. Let this arm will be CD. Now, then how we took the reading? In step 1, we immerse the PT wire in ice. That means the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Making the resistance of 2R, that is P equal to Q. The value of resistance of third arm, capital R, is so adjusted that on closing key K1 and K2, the galvanometer gives 0 reading. That is, the Wheatstone bridge are in balanced condition. Since value of resistance P, Q and R is known, the value of R naught of the PT wire at 0 degrees Celsius can be found using Wheatstone bridge formula. In second step, again PT wire immersed in steam at 100 degrees Celsius, making P equal to Q. The value of R is so adjusted that the closing the K1 and K2, the galvanometer gives 0 reading. Again, using Wheatstone bridge formula, we can find the resistance R100, that means 100 is here in subscript, of the PT wire at 100 degree Celsius. In third step, we took the unknown temperature, that is the PT wire placed in a bath whose temperature is T degrees Celsius. This temperature will be find out. Again, follow the same process or procedure. The resistance RT of the PT wire at T degrees Celsius can be found. Now in a final step, we derive an equation for the unknown temperature T. Let if alpha be the temperature coefficient of resistance of PT wire, then we can write R100 equal to R0 into under bracket 1 plus alpha into 100. From this equation, we simplify and got the equation for the alpha. Alpha equal to R100 minus R0 by R0 into 100. It is our equation 1. Similarly, RT equal to R0 into under a small bracket 1 plus alpha into T. From this equation, we derived the equation for alpha. We got alpha equal to RT minus R0 by R0 into T. It is our equation 2. Since in equation 2, left hand side will be equal, so right hand side will be also equal. Since we can write RT minus R0 by R0 into T equal to R by 100 minus R0 by R0 into 100. Solving this relation, and we got T equal to RT minus R0 by R100 minus R0 into 100. It is our final equation to find the unknown temperature. Since the value of R0, RT and R100 are known, the unknown temperature T can be calculated. It's all for today.